Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Apple ID and active Apple Music subscription. Without that, nothing will stream. Once done, decide which legal route you'll take. Unroot the phone, create a separate non-rooted user profile, or use the Apple Music web player in a browser. Make sure to update the app and OS and back up your personal data now. You do this so you avoid app blocks and preserve files, and because these choices determine the exact next steps you'll follow. You now carry out the path you picked. If you unroot, follow the device maker's official recovery or firmware restore process to return to a supported state. This restores safety net and app compatibility. If you choose a separate user profile, create it in Settings, install Apple Music from the Play Store under that account, and sign in. Alternatively, use the Apple Music web player in a modern browser and sign in. This avoids app-level root checks and streams in browser. Finish by launching Apple Music, signing in, granting storage and media permissions, and testing both streaming and downloaded tracks so you confirm everything works. If you encounter errors, check your Apple ID region, ensure the app and OS are updated, and verify the device is no longer presenting as rooted to apps. If things still fail, unrooting or switching to a clean non-root profile usually resolves checks. If it does not, contact Apple support with device details and what you've tried.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.